Hey gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Chelsea and I create content from Paris, France. So today's video is all about this look you're seeing right in front of you. If you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching, and please, if you like it here, before you go, don't hesitate to click on the subscribe button and the bell icon. And if you like this video, support your girl by clicking on the like button, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. So without wasting time, let's head to the tutorial. So guys, I have done my foundation and I have done my brows. I'm just going to clean my brows using a concealer. So I'm just going to drag that concealer down as a base for my eyeshadow. Because all this wig, they disturb. That is why I don't like wearing wig when I'm doing my makeup. After I finish, that's when I always like to wear the wig, because they disturb a lot. I'm going to take this yellow, just pack it. Then I'm going to take this green shade. I'll put that under here. And I'll go back to the yellow shade and just keep blending. And you blend, 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 blend. You keep blending, blend, blend. Blend, 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 till you get to your satisfaction. Just keep on blending, blend, blend, keep blending, blend, blend. You keep blending, blend, blend. You keep blending, blend, blend, till you get to your satisfaction. You keep blending, blend, blend. You keep blending, blend, blend, until you get to your satisfaction. So I'm going to cut my crease using a concealer. So I'm going to set my concealer with a setting powder. So now I'm going to use this green. I'm just going to pack this green in. Is it green or blue? Sky blue. maybe I made a mistake using a setting powder, so I'm going to apply a concealer again to recut my crease. I think I was not supposed to set it with a setting powder. I'll take a tiny brush shade here, this white one. I'm just going to apply that at the upper side of it. Just to set the then I'll add the green to my, just to blend the two shades together. So I'm going to do the other side off camera, then I'll be right back. So I've done the other side, we're just going to move on. So right now I'm going to contour my face and highlight, and for highlighting I'm going to use this concealer from Makeup Revolution, just to like going to blend that with my beauty blender, and I'm going to set that, and I'm going to set it with this setting powder from Fenty Beauty. This one is in the shade Honey. I'm going to take a brush and just set that. I'm going to contour with this. Contour my nose. This is from Obsession. I want that nose snatched, so I'm going to really like concentrate. So I'm going to add mascara to my lashes, and I'll be using this mascara. And for my lashes, I'll be using these lashes from Mickey Lashes. So I'm just going to apply my lashes and I'll be right. So guys, my lashes are all. So what we want to do, we want to like, I'll add blush to my face. Blush. I'll use this. kind of contour my face. I'm going to use a black eyeliner to line my waterline. To take that green. And smoke blend. And I'll take the lighter. Is this blue or sky blue, something like that, or green? And I'm just going to press it here. Then I'll set the whole of my face. So I'm going to use this highlighter from Juvia's Place. And I'm going to add little to my tear dot. So guys, this is the finished look. So that is it. I'll see you guys in my next one. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Yeah, and I will catch you guys. Bye.